Wellborn Cabinet Incorporated is a proud sponsor of the 2021 Southern Living Showcase Home in Pittsboro, North Carolina. We are especially excited about the universal design theme that will be featured throughout this beautiful home. Universal design is about creating an attractive, stylish living space that everyone can enjoy regardless of age, size, or physical ability. Retrieving items from hard-to-reach storage areas can prove difficult and even painful for some. Wellborn Cabinetry offers features and technology that eliminates the need to strain when accessing these items. Accessibility is key for all design elements, and the overall goal is to make the space convenient, safe, functional, and of course comfortable for all residents and visitors. For those with limited strength or dexterity, common universal design elements include electronic opening mechanisms, easy-to-use handles, and push-to-open and close technology. Layered lighting with LEDs is ideal for making a home safer, more energy efficient, and easier to navigate and maintain. This Southern Living Showcase home is the first to incorporate universal design throughout the entire home, and Wellborn Cabinet is honored to be featured in 9 rooms. Construction for this home is almost complete, and public tours will be given October 27th through December 12th, Wednesdays through Saturdays, from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m.